Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we'll show you how to take control of your Facebook news feed by unfollowing someone. Whether you want to refresh your feed or simply need to take a break from certain posts, let's dive in. Method 1, Step 1, launch the Facebook app on your iPhone device. Step 2, go to the profile page of the person you want to unfollow. Step 3, below their name, click on the 3 dots on the right-hand side. Step 4, from the menu that appears, select Following. There will be 3 tracking modes and you choose Unfollow. So you have unfollowed that person. Method 2, how you can unfollow that person. Step 1, open the Facebook application. Step 2, visit the post of the person you want to unfollow. Step 3, tap the 3 dots, optional, on that post. Step 4, select Unfollow person's name. Please like and subscribe if you like this information. Thanks for watching and see you soon.